Hi, I'm Chef 2 David Fu, and I'm going to show you my take on a Vietnamese classic, truffle garlic noodles. For those who were lucky enough to participate in Silver Oak's 50th anniversary Best of the Bay dinner, this was my highlight dish. Alongside my colleagues Chef Nelson Herman of Sober Mesa and Alamar in Oakland, Virgilio Garcia of the Four Seasons Napa, and Dominic Orsini, first ever Silver Oak Winery chef. It was my hugest honor to celebrate the Bay Area's diverse culinary inspirations alongside the Silver Oak family. But if you missed it or want to recreate this dish in your home, stay tuned. In this video, I'll show you how to make this arduous but delectable dish. Legend has it that garlic noodles were invented at Tan Lom, sister restaurant of nationally acclaimed Crustaceans in the Outer Sunset neighborhood of San Francisco back in 1978. In an attempt to attract a clientele enamored with Italian food in San Francisco at that time. This dish has made it on almost every Vietnamese dining establishment, not just nationally, but nationally and internationally, all across the world. Its genius is in the marriage of Italian pasta culture paired and mixed with Vietnamese wok noodle culture to come together to create this highly delectable and addictive dish. For your ingredients, you need fresh lo mein noodles, unsalted butter, minced garlic, sunfish sauce, oyster sauce, organic sugar, scallions, coarse black pepper, and fresh black truffles. Note that garlic noodles are not supposed to be greasy. In this video, I'll show you my foolproof method to make sure that your garlic noodles are creamy every single time. First, blanch your noodles in unsalted water. Cook the noodles until al dente, that's about 4 minutes, or until the noodles are slightly toothy. Make sure to reserve half a cup of the noodle cooking liquid to later make your sauce with, and then drain the noodles in a food colander. Next, you're going to stir fry your noodles. Preheat a 10-inch frying pan or a cast iron Dutch oven on medium heat for 5 minutes. Then add half a cup of noodle poaching liquid with 5 cloves of minced garlic. Once the water has reduced by 30%, add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, a teaspoon of organic sugar. Stir it, make sure everything's dissolved, and then add 3 tablespoons of room temperature butter. At this stage, I like to add a splash of more noodle cooking liquid just to make sure that the sauce doesn't break. Make sure to stir vigorously so that the sauce is emulsified. And then add your blanched noodles to saute, stir fry, and mix thoroughly to make sure the noodles are covered and coated with that extremely delicious creamy garlicky sauce. Take it off heat, then season it with coarse black pepper. On a large pasta plate or bowl, use kitchen tongs or chopstick to gently lay the noodles down. Garnish the noodles with sliced chives or scallions, then garnish with fresh grated truffles and sesame seeds. Serve immediately. There you have it, my version of Vietnamese American garlic noodles topped with truffles to flavor enhance and make this dish extremely savory, in addition to its creamy garlicky goodness. And as a note, the truffles are optional, but highly recommended. With a creamy dish like this, a Cabernet like the 2018 Silver Oak Alexander Valley is the perfect pairing. Alright everyone, thanks for tuning in. If you try this recipe at home, be sure to tag Silver Oak and me, Chef 2 David Fu. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time on Cooking with Chef 2.